Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my beauty channel about my lifestyle and beauty makeup. So subscribe and join the family. So guys, today I'm going to show you 4 ways to tie your head wrap or your turban or your head tie. So we're going to begin with the first one. So guys, this is the first one. I'm going to do it like this. It's the same, like the same length. And I do it to hold it at the back like this, and see, and just cross it and back at the front and just hold it, make sure the one under is not showing. Then I open it like this, do it like how I want my wraps to be, like this. Then I put it on, then I'll find like a corner at the back space here and put it in. Then I arrange it to how you want it. Then the second one, you do the same, just then you put it back. You just make the front like this, and this is your first tie. So simple and easy. So guys, this is the first one, this is the first look. So easy, like just take you like 2 minutes, 1 minute tie, and you go where you want to go. I like doing this tie like whenever I go out, I would do like simply do it and go out. I like doing it like if I want to just go in a rush or just get some stuff, I want to do a hair tie, I will do this and go out. So let's go to the next. So this is the second one. Like I'm gonna do it like this and the back like this and fold it to the way I want it. Like I like to make it like two on top, so I do it like this and then do it like this and put the half back at the back. Then I take the next one and again do it like this and hold it at the back. Actually they are pretty easy, like you just need to know how to do it. Like that's why I'm teaching you how to do it. It's pretty easy, like you can go out. Oh, it's so nice, like with my makeup it's so nice. It's pretty easy, it's not too hard to do, like you just need to do it and just go quickly. So let's go now to the other one. I'm going the same one. I'm going to show you how to do the one wrap, because this is two, I did two wraps, so I'm going to show you how we do it like just one wrap and put it on top. So this is the next one. If you want to hold it like one at the back, you hold the both of both of them at the back and wrap it how you want it. You can pass it at the front so you can see how you're wrapping it. Wrap it like how you think it's gonna work for you and how you want it. Just wrap it and make sure you wrap it nicely so it can fit in nicely. So then you pass it on the other side like this and find a space at the back, the edge in. So you see, then iron the front for yourself. Yep, this is it. It's pretty easy. It just takes some time, like 1 minute, and you make everything works for you. It's pretty easy though. So this is the third look, and the first one was just slip one, and the second one was this but two, and this one is just one, to make it pretty easy to how you want it or how you like it. So we're gonna go to the next tie. This is another tie with a chiffon hijab. So we're gonna first do it at the back, hold it there like this, and pass at the front, then hold the first one, you open it like this, then you hold it, just do it like this. Don't put it in, just do it like this, and then make the other one, the other side like this. Yeah, make sure they are tight to, like, for it not to come down. Then just pass it around with the other side, cross them around, then you hold the one side and put it at the back of your head, then you hold the other side, open it and put it as well as the back of your head. Arrange the front to how you want it. It's pretty easy and simple. Pretty easy and simple. Like, I like this. One of my favorite style is this, because like this is strange and somehow different from the other ones. So I like to do this one because it's like new. It's not too much like they will be surprised how you did it and ask you how do you do it, because it look like you are wearing a cap, but actually not a cap. It's actually the head tie. Just do it how you want it. It's actually strange. So let's go to, so this is the last one. So you do it like this, and tie at the front here like this. Fold it to how you want it. Then you pass it around on the front of your hair. You can put it at the sideways, depends on how you want it. So guys, try to subscribe to my channel. Tell me what more you want for me to be posting on my YouTube channel and everything else you like. And make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel, so you will see more video when I do it. So guys, I hope you like my head tie. I actually like this one. I don't normally do it, but I like it. I just like the way it's come out. It's so nice. So I'll be posting like every day. So if you want to see this my makeup tutorial, I'll show you and I'll make sure you see it. So just like and subscribe. If you want to see, just tell me. I'll do. Make sure I'll post so you can see it.